Welcome back to our channel, where we strive to share valuable knowledge on animal health. Whether you've been with us since day one or are tuning in for the first time, we appreciate your support. Today, we're shedding light on a crucial topic for livestock farmers: liver flukes in cattle. This issue can have significant impacts on your herd's health and productivity, but with the right knowledge, it's entirely manageable. Your commitment to learning and bettering your farming practices is commendable. Today, we delve into a common menace in the farming world: liver flukes in cattle. Let's unravel this together. Liver flukes are parasites that pose a substantial threat to cattle health and productivity. These tiny invaders can cause significant damage if left unchecked. But what exactly are liver flukes? They are flatworms that thrive in the liver and bile ducts of cattle, going through a complex life cycle involving snails as an intermediate host. The life cycle begins when eggs laid by adult flukes are passed out in the cow's dung. Once in water, the eggs hatch into larvae, which then infect freshwater snails. After several developmental stages within the snail, the mature larvae, known as cercaria, emerge and attach themselves to vegetation. The cycle is completed when cows ingest this infested vegetation. The presence of these parasites can lead to severe liver damage, weight loss, and reduced milk production in cattle. Hence, they can significantly affect a farmer's productivity. Understanding the enemy is the first step to victory. Now that we know what we're dealing with, let's move on to identifying the warning signs. Early detection is crucial in managing liver fluke infections. Here are some signs and symptoms to look out for in your cattle. Liver flukes are sneaky parasites that can cause significant damage before you even realize they're there. One of the first signs that your cattle may be infected is a change in their behavior. They might seem lethargic, unresponsive, or lose their appetite. Physical signs can be subtle at first, but as the infection progresses, you might notice weight loss, rapid breathing, or anemia, indicated by pale mucous membranes. In severe cases, a distended abdomen, the result of fluid accumulation, can be observed. Diarrhea can also occur, but it's not always present. In younger cattle, growth can be stunted, making the infected animals easy to spot in a herd. Regular checks are essential to catch these symptoms early. Early detection can make a huge difference in managing the condition and preventing further spread within your herd. Keeping a keen eye on your cattle can save you from devastating losses. But what happens when your cattle are already infected? Fear not, a liver fluke infection is not a death sentence. With the right treatment and prevention methods, you can protect your cattle. Let's dive into the treatment options first. Treatment primarily involves the use of anthelmintic drugs, which are designed to eradicate these pesky parasites. Products such as triclobendazole, chlorcelon, and nitroxanil are often used. However, it's important to remember that timing is key. Administering these treatments during the early stages of infection can significantly improve outcomes. Now, on to prevention. Prevention is your best line of defense against liver fluke infections. This involves managing the grazing areas to minimize exposure to the parasite, as well as implementing a regular treatment schedule. This way, you can catch any potential infections early, before they can cause serious harm. Armed with this knowledge, you can now confidently tackle liver fluke infections. Remember, a healthy herd is a productive herd. We've covered a lot today, from understanding liver flukes to spotting the signs and symptoms, and finally, treatment and prevention. We've delved into the world of these parasitic invaders, their impact on cattle health, and how to keep them at bay. Remember, early detection and proactive measures are your best defense. Thank you for joining us today. Your support fuels our mission to improve animal health through education. Please like, share, and comment below with any questions or thoughts. Until next time, keep your herd healthy and thriving.